Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Shillong ka khot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka kenhun ilek kai jong ka jela Meghalaya kalayo ara ya kan nam la du ka lempung ilek kai football jong ka 6 men's and 3rd women's IBFF North East Zonal Blind Football Championship Arja Pesan ka balalong ngadu ka Arsan Terik ngadu ka Pratrik Ucembang Arja Pesan ha Guwahati Assam ka kenhun ilek kai jong ka jela balapha da ka Meghalaya State Paralympics Association ka layo ara ya kan nam la du Hadian bakalala ban pelim no ya ka kenhon ilek kai na ka jela Arunachal Pradesh da phrala ka wikol but dakani ka jingjom kani ka kenhon kala banwan ra ya ka nam ka buram sa ka jela Meghalaya borok ka we ki kenhon ki blai shimenta kani ka tournament ki long ka Meghalaya ka Assam Nagaland Mizoram Arunachal Pradesh bat ka Odisha
I'm from Meghalaya.
Okay, so you're participating in this tournament today. So did you win?
Yes, we haven't been. I'm very proud of this because we are the champion this Northeast Championship.
Okay, so is this the first time that you're participating in these kind of games, or have you participated in previous games also?
No, actually, even last year also we haven't participated in Northeast Championship.
Okay.
Even last year also we have a champion Northeast Championship in Mizoram.
Okay, and how do you feel about this tournament here in Guwahati that is being organized, and because you won, and also I've heard that you have scored 19 goals. So what are your feelings?
Yeah, I'm very happy because here between the tournament we can meet each other and different player we can talk with each other and we can learn about this football how they are playing and how people can play football. Then we can learn from other teams.
Okay, and what is the message that you have for the other young players who are in the same category as you are in this para blind football tournament. So what are your message? What is the message that you would like to give to the
I would like
aspiring
to,
athletes?
I would like to tell this young player. So, if you end up becoming a good player, please do exercise and practicing a lot and do it nicely and discipline. And you have to practice every day. And after that, you will be becoming good player.
Okay. So we wish you the very best in your future endeavors, and thank you so much, and congratulations once again to Team Meghalaya for winning this championship that is being organized in Guwahati. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Kita jong kadai John Berlang Pingrum ngadai na Shillong national sa apo business society
Ini perlu jumpi pada?
ini keteng I Toniwell Khongtai ni ru isa lang ngahi po business society
Tekan usnem pilaya sedang menilai kai mentah.
nga kai kumba news na may ay ini par idang join mental snam kadai kan sin ke banikong I kan
Tekan noteli kita tournament pila wan nilai kai. Haba kain kelum baro. Pila poi tang national ni, pila poi international ni, pi poi tang hapo kenika Tanjite lamingi jungi ke baki ong ke North East ni pila poi cubai itu.
ngala simenta berat lagi tournament North East bat ka national tournament mana kan kelum baro try nyoteli ngala simenta tournament repair
Ti kai ke jung sungu jung pi haba pi wan ban ya simenta ku begini ke tournament.
kacing so lang kacing berku ma kumyangi kamtam bangin la ban kai bha ngila la ban kai bha mentak sngi bat ngila ilong kita ki nam la du akan ke North East tournament ngok
Ti pila menyetuk kendiat menu besi harap pi haba pi penkre ele de ban le ye le kai shegini national ba shegini North East bat ki wi pede ki jing ye le kai menu besi harap leni ai men sim AEP.
menshua mo mentak ai kublai ye iba ya isa basai ila mula nak senyang ingi la yarap ingi hadukan dia menshua te ingi dan singirap mengesia sia kelundang poro kabayo sia kensolang dan I perlok jangir isnya dia jangi I baju kersan inga nak kopor ide kibral te entapat ngai kublai kerpang ye isa basai ila lam nanti ingi hadukan dia klemat banta
Ti khadlu mo te ke ku khubor ba fin ai pede ki perlok jung pi yo le se ki ba don ye ka sap hagani ke jingi le kai hente kim yo lat te ke khubor ba fin ai nam ta ke jung ki
naki mutak perlok ki ba dan saya ta kasab kadai hakana kono kasab ru kim dai ban pensap ai kai kidai ban wat ikilat kilenti ban ban poi syakthong ka bakimot bat dai ban du mensim dai ban sangap kiwe jingkan kiwe jadi ban persang iki bakila bat iki bakimla
Ti khubli shibun ye ko por ke jung pi bat sa sini ai khubli ye pi ket bok ket yang pi ba pin nang kiu chaprang gi kam ba bha ke jung pi bo kham tam ni le ban kentiu gini ka jing le kai ke ba pi la pen la sedang men pen tebet ele di ti ne keleng ke jung ngim don ni ai ban ong i pi en te ngi siu ai tang jing kot kit bok ket yang ba pin don ke met ke phat bu ko bu phia ba pin nang kiu chaprang gi kam jung pi bro ti sai sin ngi ai khubli ru ye ke tim Meghalaya ke bala wan ke bala long ke tim ke bala la du hagini ka championship ke bala long hagini ki ski bala dep lai ski menta hapok ka nong ba Guwahati te takini ki kentin kubli shibu ni pi baro but nang kiu shiprang ki kam pi kubli shibu
Kong ngamla kan pau ke jing songo ible coba ada kat bangi haduk ni lapor kat no nak lang kejongi Meghalaya State Paralympic Association mirap ke jingkiman ke bakrau bangi gini irang tun sai ke jongi kita apoi syatong but bun nangi yo best player best goalkeeper player of the match ni nak tim Meghalaya sino lang kejongan kamu presiden nak pok yang ini ki bang elekai sedang nak susu bang elekai ke national level so kapasutan mengidang di referee apa Meghalaya nak pergi ke bakrau nakaliang ke jongai kum presiden nakaliang penhun juni ai bok yang national scene ini bang elekai bilang lah anpoi syatong aka yang ke jeng elekai ke publish bu
Keteng jonga kas insan ki te ngangani na po selong along no naribhoy te hangne ni wan hangne bat katim ki badero ki bana po Ribhoy Rudanhi gimana po Barni Ribhoy sudah nong no bat biye na po mau kerwan te stunat ba at least long menta ba nginang ya bon susu kira free sang ne itu kipor ngakan mau ba anado kas senam arhajar kat pra marui teng sngo along no song thai mau ban travel marui te dan bok ba mention senam ba kiduna kira free sapo Mizoram te la invite no ngala khot no ikine te menta nginang ya bon bat Kermen scam banang ni syakmat ngin yo ban travel susu bat kini kiwi para refrees ki ba nong no kumno bangin yo perlok lang kan teng mo ban ya travel lang te ban ya yo bentalang haki national air kum tu te tang kata hi
to ke igi jing sko jupi ba P1 ni le kai gini ka championship
ka jing sno jonga te kum ta hi ngong sultanan namar ba la long no ka ne ka day ka best experience kawai na kaba long suong no haka international ro ngala bonsin hingala long la laisen ngala yo ban ya sim benta mo tengas tunat tahi
te ke ibe de ka khubor wa phin ai se ki parlok ki ba yo le se ki ban pet ingi ni ko por
te ka khubor ki ka jonga kanu ka ba phile kanu ka ba phitre la dai haka sports la dai haka kanu ka kamru akan men ba phintre shitom ban nangai kiuru haki liang baro.
My name is Chiku Armarak and I'm coach of Meghalaya Blind Football Team. We have got a very good experience in this tournament and we're proud of our team. We feel that upcoming tournament we will do our best. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.